Hello everybody, welcome again to the robot steel structure course. Now in this lecture we want to design the connection between the steel structure element. So if we go to the robot, now we go to here, instead of steel design we go to steel design, instead of steel or aluminum design we go to the connection. First of all we can show there are the connection that robot design them. Okay, there we can show here pinned column base connection, fixed column base, here column beam connection, okay, beam connection, and there are many connection that robot designed. Also we can design manually the connection, or we can let the robot design automatically the connection. The robot take the loads from the calculation, okay, and automatically design this connection. So for example, if we go to the pinned column base, now we design a connection manually. If we press here we can show this windows. Okay, first of all we want to define the section, okay, of our column, material, okay, and here we have the column stiffening, how we want to put the connection. Let's put without bracket, and we want to the plate, this yellow plate, the thickness of the plate, the dimension, we want to length, also the material of this plate. This all the this parameter are for this connection, okay, between the column and the foundation here. The anchorage is this bar here. Connect the column and the plate, steel plate, with the foundation. We first of all we must define the foundation, for example, and now the anchorage we can put it like this, okay. So now we define this parameter, then we want to check if this connection is enough, or here we can add, okay, more parameter. So we can press apply. So now the robot put the dimension that I have defined. We can show the connection here, okay. Now we can press on manual calculation here. We can put the load, for example, manually, and on the column, okay, and let the robot design the connection. Here we have the ratio 0.2 below 1, okay. So okay, this connection is enough. We can show the detailing. The ratio is 0.2, connection conform to the code. Okay, great. So now let's go to design also we can do the same method with the other type of connection. Okay, now let's go to our structure. Let's we want to design let's go to here. Let's put here 19 for the joint, then here. Okay, so we need to design this connection 19. Okay, here we move 19. Okay, now we go to here to this connection. We put, for example, the same number that we have put it for the previous connection. Column, steel. Okay, for the plate, encourage, we press, for example, apply. Okay, we can show this connection. And now instead of manual calculation, we will design connection from a structure. We must select. We can go to here and select. Okay, now so let's, for example, we can go to here. We need columns, rafter. Okay, close. Also we need so now let's here. And now when we select the column with the support, okay, new connection for the, we press here, new connection for the selected bar for the column. Now we define the section properties. We put, for example, for the foundation here, let's put it 90 centimeter. For the plate dimension, we put the dimension of our plate here, steel, encourage material steel, column, we check the material, the most important, here the foundation is concrete, we press OK. Then we can go to show the connection. Okay, and now we can press here design connection. Okay, we press calculation. Now the robot calculate the connection need to increase more and more. Okay, we can, to increase the connection, we can show this connection here. This is the first connection that we have designed it manually. We can put here, right click, properties. For example, we can, for the column, we can put here increase simple stiffener. For the, we can, For example, increase okay, we can let's increase the number just, but we must increase the number according the standard section and the connection in your country. For the encoder, let's put apply. Press OK. Now we put calculate again, and we must increase this the section of the connection, the dimension of the connection and parameters to get a stable and safe ratio. Now also we can go to structure. We can select, for example, columns and buffer, okay, and we go to here. Now we select a beam with column, okay, and we go to new connection for selected bar. So we select, let's delete this, a beam with column, and we go to new cell connection for selected bar. We can show here that frame here a connection between a beam with a column, okay. We can put our parameter as the column base, and we press OK, then we press design. We can show the connection here, okay, and we press calculate. Here the connection is safe, so we have this is a best connection for this beams and this columns. Can show it, okay. We can put all the parameters, change all the dimension, the thickness, the number of bolts here, the welds also that we need. We can change all the parameters that we need of this. This is the beam and this is the column and this is the connection in yellow, okay. Thank you for listening. We'll continue on the next lecture.